Are you thinking about making a large purchase in the next 6 months? Then, before you apply for that loan and get the shock of your life, let me just say you could double your purchase power. This means being able to get a newer, more reliable vehicle or save thousands on your overall purchase. You could cut your overall finance cost in half over the life of a loan. You could secure a loan at lower interest rates, as much as half. Decrease your monthly payment amount. Get you qualify for a loan when you couldn't before, and in some cases put some cash back in your pocket. We are the Restore Rural America Project, and we help rural Americans clean up, repair, and boost their credit score and profile so they can get the loans they need. Our belief is if you can handle a loan payment, you should be entitled to a loan and at a fair interest rate. So if you are at a point where you think you're going to make a large purchase within 6 months, fill out our questionnaire for a free consultation. The link will be provided below.